I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican style carrot punch. And this carrot punch recipe, you can enjoy it anytime through the summer. And it's summer coming up. Just get it cold, nice and chill, then you're good to go. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. Welcome to Chef Henry Kitchen. My name is Chef Andre Henry. Hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up so I can make more content so others can enjoy. Let's dive in the recipe. Dragon stout, condensed milk, supple gen, and Irish moss. And I'm also going to add some Jamaican rum just to give it some more flavor and tweak it up a bit. And always remember to always drink responsibly. And last but not least, the carrot. And I wash and peel the carrot. I am going to cut up the carrot. Just small enough so the blender can handle it. I like to make these type of recipe. I'm just going to transfer the carrot into the bowl. Now I finished cutting up the carrot, and this is what the carrots look like. If you have a small blender, always cut it smaller if you can, because I have a nice heavy duty blender. I just cut them to this size. I have my blender plugged in and it's ready to go. Open. And also I have 4 cups of water inside this drinks jug, and I'm just going to add some into the blender. I put my gloves on because I'm going to add the carrot pieces inside the blender. I'm going to place my cover on, and this blender have lots of different settings. I always use extract because it's put less strain on the blender. Now the first batch blending is complete. I'm going to transfer it into this bowl. I'm going to blend up the rest. Now my second batch blending is complete. I'm just going to transfer it in the same container. Now it's for the fun part. I'm going to grab a squeeze bag and I'm just going to rest it into this bowl. Now I'm going to extract the juice from the carrot. I'm going to use a regular coffee cup to transfer the juice into the squeeze bag. Now I can just pour it in because it's less. Time to do the squeeze magic. And lots of people has been asking what type of bag this is. This is a fruit bag. I find it useful for when I'm doing like juice. And you want to get it squeezed with less particle. Now I get all the juice out. I'm going to save the pulp and I'm going to use it to make porridge. Now I'm going to add some nutmeg. So I'm just going to grate the nutmeg. Just half of nutmeg. I'm going to add the dragon stout. And remember to always drink responsibly. Follow up by the Irish moss. And always remember to clean the top off your cans because it can contain dust, but I wash mine off early on. Supple gin. Condensed milk. You don't want to add all of it at once. I added half can of condensed milk. Now I'm going to start stirring just to combine all of the ingredients. And if you notice, I'm going back and forth. I'm going to do a taste. Now I'm going to add more condensed milk, all of it. And to get every milk out of the can, I'm going to show you a trick. And all the peoples from the Caribbean know this trick. I'm going to grab a smaller spoon. And I think I get most of the milk from the can. I'm going to do another taste. Right level of sweetness. I'm also going to add just a little salt. Just half a teaspoon of salt. You don't want too much salt inside it. You don't want to get it salty. You just want to have a balance. Now I'm going to add Jamaican rum. And this is half a cup of rum. And I'm going to add it all inside here. I am from a rum drinking family, and remember, I always say, drink responsibly. I'm going to transfer all of this juice into the drinks jug. Then I'm going to do the taste test. Now that I transfer my carrot punch into my drinks jug and also into this jug, I'm going to go in for the taste test. I'm going to put this one in the fridge and I'm going to grab myself a glass with ice and I'm going to pour my carrot punch into the glass with ice. Cheers. And guys, I hope you grab all of your ingredients because I don't want to drink this wonderful carrot punch in front of you guys. Man, I don't want to put the glass down now because I have it in my hand. So I want you all to make this. Follow everything in this recipe and you will have the best Jamaican style carrot punch. And see you on the next one.